Former President Donald Trump's historic hush money trial is now underway.
Jury selection has begun and could take weeks. Fox's Connor Hansen has more on what happened inside the courtroom from New York City.
Former President Donald Trump drew a crowd here in downtown Manhattan as he appeared for day one in his historic hush money trial. Rowdy protesters outside a New York City courthouse as former President Donald Trump's criminal trial kicks off.
He hid information relevant to voters, he lied about it, and then he tried to cover it up.
I think it's important that when something so unfair is happening right here, that people support him.
This is an assault on our country, and it's a country that's failing.
The two sides spent the day arguing over evidence, questioning potential jurors, and debating whether or not Trump violated his gag order. Seating an impartial jury could take some time because the judge is insisting potential jurors will be questioned individually to weed out political bias.
I think particularly in light of the ongoing presidential election, it's going to be really difficult to find jurors who come into this just with an open mind to the facts and the law.
Trump is accused of falsifying business records to cover up paying off two women who alleged they had sexual affairs with him, and a former doorman who tried to sell a story about Trump having a child out of wedlock. Trump denies any wrongdoing.
This is political persecution. This is really an attack on a political opponent.
This could be Trump's only criminal case to go to a jury before the November election. While it's unlikely, it's possible he could face jail time if he's convicted. In New York, Connor Hansen, Fox News.